I'm 35 from Pasig City. I stand for promoting healthy and I stand for promoting health and fitness among busy professionals because I believe that career should not compromise personal health. I have been working in a BPO company or BPO industry for more than 10 years. 5 years working night shift. And there is common stereotype about people working in BPO industry that they are unhealthy because of their lifestyle, their like unhealthy eating habit because night shift don't have any available or options for food. Also, with the demanding workload and also for demanding workload and also their schedule, which is also like night shift. So I want to help change that perception. I want to inspire people that even though you're working in unconventional hours or with demanding workload, you can still be healthy by through consistency and discipline. And that's also about it.
Thank you. Your question will be coming from Carlo.
Hello, good afternoon.
Okay.
I'm working in the BPO industry.
Yes.
So what do you think were the biggest challenges that you faced in trying to become healthier during the times that you were assigned at night shift? And how did you overcome?
Yes. Actually, the sometimes the workload and also the food options at night, because usually in the evening there's only fast food. So I make sure that I bring my own food. I cook my own food and make sure that what I eat is healthy. Because I believe that being healthy should be non-negotiable. Thank you.
Thank you.
Male number 8.